Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to safely load a Ford Fusion onto a U-Haul Tow Dolly. Please note that your vehicle may differ slightly from the one seen in this video. To begin, let's prepare both the towing vehicle and the tow dolly.
First, make sure the towing vehicle is in park with the parking brakes set. Double check the trailer's wiring harness, coupler, and safety chains to make sure they are securely attached to the towing vehicle. Fully extend both ramps at the rear of the dolly. Free the tire straps from the ratchets and lay them flat on the ramps. Next, fold the ratchet handle down, then repeat on the other side. Since your vehicle has low clearance, you can raise the vehicle's clearance by laying 3 12-inch long 2x8 boards on the ground in a pyramid shape. Next, place 2 additional boards in the bucket to clear the tire stops and then repeat on the other side. Center the vehicle to be loaded behind the car dolly. While loading the vehicle, drive slowly and have an observer make sure that the front of the vehicle does not hit the ramps. During the loading process, have your guide stand off to the side. Continue slowly up the ramps until the vehicle's tires come to rest against the stops at the front of the dolly. The vehicle should be centered on the platform. If it's off to one side, you need to offload and reposition. Once loaded, the towed vehicle needs to have the steering wheel locked. Loop the seatbelt through the bottom center of the steering wheel and fasten it. Move the seat back to add more tension. Next, position the straps up and over the front tires. Make sure they are centered over the tire. Move each strap ratchet left or right to align with the center of the tire. Route the strap through the slot on the ratchet spool. Make sure at least 6 inches of the strap passes through the spool. Tighten the ratchet, folding the handle down when done. Then repeat on the other side. Finish securing the vehicle by fastening the security chains to the frame or other structural member of the vehicle. Leave some slack in the chain, looping them around and securing them through an open link using the S-hooks. Then repeat on the other side. Secure the tow ramps by lifting them and sliding them back into the car dolly until the latch pins re-engage. Then repeat on the other side. Next, store your boards to reuse later during the unloading process. Recheck the tire straps and all hookup connections after the first 5 miles, again after 50 miles, and thereafter at all stops during your travels. For more information, you can visit the closest U-Haul store or uhaul.com.